Hey, Logan. You're pulling the clean, folded laundry out of there. Dada? Gee, you're making quite a mess. Could you stop that? What are you doing? You just took down the whole basket? Are you stuck? You took down the basket. Now what? Do you see your mess? Look at the whole basket's down. What are you gonna do? You gonna put that back together for Mom? Will you put that back together for Mommy? Yeah, maybe. All right. Whoa, say Mama and I'll pick you up. Say Mama. How about Dada? Mama, Dada? Can you do either? Can you do either? You want to get up here to the camera? Up here to the camera. Oh, back down. Baby's down. Okay.